I've been asked to do a video about your foundation chain and doing different colors. A few people are doing different blocks. So this is what it looks like. If I can. So it's pretty clean. You'll definitely see the difference between, you know, this stitch here and this stitch here. Try not to pull these two apart. But then you work your way over. And I needed 48 stitches. So let's see if I can do this and stay in the camera. But I needed 48 stitches in blue, and then I need 22 in gray for the pattern that I'm currently working on. So what I do is I take this is my working strand here. It's hard to see with the way I got the camera set up here. But this is my working strand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tail and I'm going to loop it over just like I'm tying tennis shoes. And I'm going to tighten it down. You don't want it tight. You just want it enough that, let me do this again while I'm talking. Anyway, you just want this tight enough that you can slide the loose knot over the strand. And when you do this, since I'm doing it in the camera, you want leave your tail on this side a little bit longer that you can weave it in. I know a lot of us worry about security in our work, so I'm leaving about 4 or 5 inch tail, and then you tie it on, and like I said, you just want to loop it over. It's not tight, it's just tied so that it holds. Then what you're going to do is, move my camera a little bit, we're going to slide this down to my stitch. And you see that knot, it's in the back. So now I have my 48 blue that I needed, and I need 11 gray. So you're going to take your working yarn and get it in your hands, and I just snug the back down this loop that we tied around. I just make sure it's tight to the work. And then, let's see if I can adjust this camera. I'm looking right into it. And then we're going to start to chain. And there's 5 on there, but you can see, oh, this camera angle today is not working with me so well. Probably because I'm lounging and trying to do this. So, as you can see right there, you can definitely see where we've gone from the 48th to the 50th stitch. And that's how I change color when changing color on your original chaining row. So, I hope this is clear enough, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask.